Hi guys, welcome to my Raspberry Pi tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to work with Raspberry Pi and Python, and also we are going to work with various controllers like Arduino, NodeMCU and ESP8266, and later on we are going to work with TensorFlow, OpenCV and Keras and see how to install these softwares inside Raspberry Pi and work on that. And later on we are going to work with Anaconda and Spider so that you can build a machine learning model inside that one. And our end goal of the tutorial is to make a security camera which having a face recognition and face identification system which can capture and send you an email. So it will be very useful for you. I will explain you how to do that in my upcoming chapters. So see you in my next chapter. Stay tuned. Thank you.